Welcome. The following technical support video will show you how to use the new timed cleaning feature in the Printer Jockey print utility software program. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Printer Jockey interface window. And you'll have a list of all of the printers that show up in your interface, or typically in your printers and faxes as well in this area. What you're going to want to do is go through and scroll until you find the printer that you want to use. In this case, we're going to use the Epson Stylish Pro 4800. The timed cleaning and the timed test print features will only work with the Epson printers. So go ahead and you can either go up to the top, click on File, and go down to Open Queue, or you can just double click on the actual print queue. It'll bring it up, and then in the very top left corner you'll have printer options. Underneath printer options you have your timed prints and your timed cleanings. The difference between the timed prints and the timed cleanings is a timed cleaning is going to use the head cleaning function in your Epson printer to pull ink out of all of the channels in the printer. In this case we're using the Epson Stylish Pro 4800, which has 8 channels of ink in it. So when you run your timed cleaning, you'll actually be pulling ink out of the print head dampers or cartridges and ink lines through the capping station using the vacuum pump and sucking it down. The time cleaning feature is probably something that's used by companies that have clogging issues either because of low humidity, altitude problems, or they're using a higher viscosity ink which will tend to clog faster. The time print feature allows you to just print one of 3 different designs out onto a piece of paper or some other type of substrate, t-shirt material, whatever you'd like, and only use specific channels, so those channels that could clog. The time print feature will just be printing, so it doesn't have the ability to use the suction or vacuum pump that's in the capping station. So this video we're going to show you how to set the time cleaning feature up. We'll go ahead and click on the time cleaning feature. It'll open up our window. And in this window you'll notice it just looks a little bit similar to the time test print feature, where you go ahead and click on add a timer, and then you can use the arrows to set up what time you would like the time cleaning feature to run. So in this case we're going to set it up for 3:30 in the morning, so you can use the arrows to go up and down and then choose AM or PM and go ahead and click OK. Then you can come over here and choose which day of the week you would like it to run. Some people want it to run every day, and you can just go ahead and choose every day. Other people would want to have it run when they are not going to be at the office, and they can choose either Saturdays or Sundays, however you'd like to make it work for you. If you want to choose one, just go ahead and unselect the everyday and choose Saturday, Sunday. You can also choose to select on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays, and rotate it as well. You base this on whatever you feel is necessary for your environment that your printer's in. It will vary depending on several factors like altitude, humidity, temperature, the viscosity of the ink, the location of any type of central air or heating vents that could be blowing onto the printer itself. So you'll have to run some tests to find out what works best to prevent the clogging for you. Once you have that set up, all you have to do is you can choose whether to make this an active or inactive cleaning cycle, and go ahead and just click Save the Schedule. Once you have that, you can close out of your print queue, and if you go back into your Printer Jockey interface and you scroll back down to find the printer, you will notice that there's now an icon that shows right up next to it. And this icon is the scheduling feature and shows that you have a timed cleaning, and you can go ahead and know that if you leave the Printer Jockey software open and you leave your printer on and connected to your computer, that at the scheduled time it will send the software code to run a head cleaning. That's all it takes for setting up the scheduled cleaning feature. If you have additional questions, please either visit printerjockey.com or contact your distributor. Thanks and have a great day.